In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete chat history in Notebook LM. Assuming you have uploaded some sources and you have carried out some chats with it and you're interested in deleting the history, you can do that as well within Notebook LM. So let's say within the notes that I've logged into my Notebook LM account. Let's say within these notes that I have one that I have carried out some chats like this one, that I have done some little chats and I'm interested in just this chat to delete the history. So all I need is to come over to the top right and you can see this three dots. I can click and you can see delete chat history. So you can just click and it's going to be about to delete the full chat history of this notebook. This cannot be undone. So this is for this particular notebook. You can say yes, you can delete, and it is going to go ahead and delete everything. And you can see it has deleted everything of your chat history. Okay. If you found this helpful, please leave a like. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the temporary chat feature within Google Gemini. So sometimes you may need to chat with Gemini and you don't want the history of that chat to be saved within your account. You can do that with the help of this temporary feature. And once you are logged into your Gemini account, you can come to the top right and you'll be able to see it. Turn on temporary chat and you click on it and everything is going to be temporary. After you finish chatting, it's not going to be saved within your system. So temporary chats don't appear in recent chat. You will not see them in recent chat over here, and aren't used to improve Google AI. Your data is not going to be used. It is just stored for 72 hours just for safety purpose. So let's go ahead and say, can you create, mind you, we are using the temporary chat feature, so we can just go ahead and create and hit on enter. So you can make the blog post to be as long. You can specify the length, you can specify the outline, and maybe some key concepts that you want covered in the write-up. Okay, so it can have a specific direction, and in each case you can be able to see this is a temporary chat. Okay, so you can go ahead and keep chatting because this is not saved in anywhere in your system. Okay, so even if you create a new chat, it is not going to be saved anywhere, and it's just there within the system. Within 72 hours it is going to vanish. Okay, so anytime you want to have a private chat with Gemini, you can always use on this and you'll be able to go ahead and carry out your chats. If you found this helpful, please leave a like. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your audio using an AI tool, Adobe Podcast. This is the AI tool that you can use to enhance your video to sound fantastically very clear. So you can access it by coming to podcast.adobe.com, and then once you're here, you have the options to enhance audio. So you still start enhancing. You should make sure that you are logging with an account. Okay, so let's hear a before and an after. So let's say the before.
Hey, Harmony here with the Adobe Podcast team. I'm here in my backyard, and we've got a little bit of street noise, some birds chirping, and even some music playing nearby. I'm recording this video so you can try out Enhanced Speech. Go ahead and turn it on and off, and notice what changes.
So this is the before, and let's hear the enhanced version.
Hey, Harmony here with the Adobe Podcast team. I'm here in my backyard, and we've got a little bit of street noise, some birds chirping, and even some music playing nearby. I'm recording this video so you can try out and
Fantastic. So you can see the background noise, the audio, and even the ambient condition had been enhanced strictly. So you can log in. Once you are logged in, you can come to choose a file. You can just click, navigate to wherever you have that your file that you want to enhance. For example, this, and I'm going to just import it. And we're just going to give it some seconds to finish the enhancing. So we can play the before and the after in this particular enhancement. All right, and as you can see, the audio had been enhanced. So this is the enhanced, this is the original version. You can see the speech, the music had been removed, and everything had been removed. Okay, so you can make edits if you're interested, get a transcript or convert to video. And so let's play it the before and the after. So this is the before. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your PDF document into a PowerPoint using I Love PDF. Now, accessing I Love PDF, you can see a lot of echo and then the voice is down. So let's hear the after. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your PDF document into a PowerPoint using I Love PDF. Fantastic, and you can see it's been greatly enhanced, and you can access it by just coming down here and click on download, and you just download the enhanced version at any given point. So I think every day you have the option to work with 1 hour of enhancement for free version. Okay, but if you want, you can always start a free trial, or you can access it with full plan. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.